Welcome back. Today I would like to update a video on tweaks, and today I have got 10 Cydia tweaks to share to all of you guys, and all of these tweaks are compatible with iOS 13 to 13.4. And now let's go to the first one. It is a tweak that allows you to customize a message app. It allows you to customize pretty much everything on message app. So you can go to the tweak and you can see a ton of feature here. So we have tint, so you can change the color here, and then you can go to background. You can even change the background for message app. And then we have title. You can set the custom title on the top, so I can customize my own title. So you can change the color for the bubble as well. So let's go to this one and then click on done. And you have other options as well. You can look by the title here, but I'm gonna customize only the top, and then I can go back. After you have selected all of those, you can apply to take effect. So I can click on apply. The tweaks does work without respring. And now if you go back to message, you can see my message app has been changed. So we have the custom background, and on the top instead of message we have the custom title that I have just set. And then on conversation we have black bubble, and your own message it is turned to yellow. Move on to the next one, and if you take a look on my icon badge, you can see instead of the number we have the little dots, as you can see here. And you can go to settings, and we have the color to choose from here to change the icon badge, or you can use adaptive color, which is it will adapt from the icon color. And now you can see it will adapt depend on the icon color. And as you can see on mail app, if it is blue, on the icon badge also blue as well. This brand new tweak is awesome. It allows you to control your device with just shake. So you just shake your phone to toggle some option, and you can go to setting. This is the tweak that called Shake2 Toggle, and you can see a ton of feature here which allow you to shake to do some option. And you can see dark mode is enabled, so when I shake it will disable or enable dark mode. And you can see on my dock, and now it is in dark mode, so when I shake my phone it will go to light mode, as you can see. So we have other options as well, so let's go let's disable this one. And we have flashlight, so I can enable flashlight, and then I can just shake, and you can see flashlight is enabled, or I can shake again, flashlight will be disabled. Unlock sound will bring back iOS unlock sound into iOS 13. So usually with iOS 13, when you unlock your phone, you don't hear the sound. So now it will bring back that sound. So now let me lock my phone, and you can hear the lock sound. Or when I unlock, you can also hear the unlock sound as well. And for the sound, you can select the other sound as well. You have a ton of sound to choose from here, usually without the tweaks. So and when you respring your phone, music will be stopped after respring. However, after you install the tweak, you would be able to still play the music. So the music will still playing even though you respring. So now let's try it. So you just install RoadRunner, and then you just enable the tweak, and you can activate the trail license. So and now let's try to respring my phone and see what happened. So click on respring. And after respring, you can see the music is still playing in the background. TopPhone is also a brand new tweak as well. It allows you to customize phone app, and you can see a bunch of feature here. So you can customize the color here. We have the customize color. So you can customize pretty much everything from here, and you can click on apply. And now you can go back to phone app, and you can see we have a new background here. And on the call button, it turned to red. And on contest, we have a new background as well. For homesick, I did a video on it as well from the previous video, but it is a new update. So after you install this new update, you can see action. So we have 3 action here. So you can shake to go home, or you can shake to screen record, or you can shake to toggle flashlight. So if you select on flashlight, and now I can shake my phone, and you can see the flashlight is enabled, or I can shake it again, my flashlight will be disabled. Usually on your iPhone keyboard, you will see at the bottom it is a dictation key. When you speak and it will type the word automatically. But this is the function that I rarely use it. So however, after you install this tweak, it will give you another feature. So if you click on dictation key, you will be able to go to emoji. So it is a quick way to toggle emoji. Or you can click it again to go back to keyboard. And as you can see, usually with clock app, when you want to delete alarm, you just click on edit and then you can delete one by click on minus button. However, after you install the tweak, you will have a new button, so it allows you to delete all alarm. And as you can see, and then you just click on yes to confirm that you want to delete. This is the tweak for photo. So when you want to delete a photo from photo app, you just click on delete button and then you have a new option here. You can see on the top we have permanently delete photo. It means that when you click on it, it will completely delete it from recent delete, so you don't see it in that folder. However, if you click on delete photo, it will stay in recent delete. And finally, thanks for watching. I hope you like all of these tweaks, and then we'll catch you guys in the next one.